Tennis Academy. This one's for you. Some of them are 6 years old, but their game's so cold. Playing kids that are 10, but they will never fold. That is what I have seen, not just what I've been told. When I was 6 years old, I was not that bold. They're gonna make it, first place can't fake it. The league is up for grabs, so I told those kids go take it. Let them slip and stacked, first serve, gotta make it. Cops went up the tee, kick serve from Sydney, then the beat drops. Do what we gotta do to climb to the top. When it comes to the sauce, Ranch has a lot. Who can beat us? Yeah, I guess I forgot. If you check the odds, this is our best shot. Team looks fine, drop shot baseline from Caroline. Other team looks confused, out of place, even clueless. They just lost 6-0 to Lewis. Not again, can it be? Huge smash from CC, Golly G. I'm happy, look at me. Happy coach, Charlotte just took a poach. Other team is now wishing they had Tristan. If he is Michael Jordan, you can call me Scottie Pippen. Now 2-2s, taking shots, never missing. Oh my gosh, had the other team wishing they could have us all. Taught them how to play when they had to crawl. Before they could walk, had a tennis ball. Those were the best days, old days, yeah. Now I turn a new page with my team. Seen it in a dream, took that trophy in a limousine. Went off, and we all went pro. This is T-Sides, yeah, I thought you'd know.